Hi, superstars. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, so today I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business in Nigeria and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. Okay, so as promised, so many people said I should be dropping updates twice a week to enable them know what's happening in palm oil business in Nigeria. Okay, I'm always at your service and your wish is my command. That's why I'm doing this video. I guess what I had almost forgotten, but I was like, hey, that's why this video it's a bit different from the usual. Okay, as a matter of fact, I'm using a container as my tripod to deliver. So my superstars, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, all right. Okay, so first we'll be starting with the price of Jerrycans. The price of Jerrycans in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, for 25 liters is 5,200 naira for new Jerrycans. New Jerrycans. Please, my superstars, I don't send palm oil to people in old Jerrycans. I buy new Jerrycans and fill it with palm oil and send to people because I've had issues with old jerry cans. Some get some leak, okay, and during transit a lot happens. So I would rather buy new jerry cans to ensure that it is of good quality and the your palm oil is safe throughout transportation and it gets to you in good condition. So I do only new jerry cans for palm oil. Alright, my superstars. So the price for new jerry cans as at today remains 5,200 naira. If there's any change, I'll also inform you. Okay, so that brings us to palm oil. Okay, for palm oil, the price of palm oil is still high up there. I heard there's a new law in most local government areas due to theft. A lot of people used to go and steal people's palm fruits. Okay, before they tap it, someone will go and tap it and then leave. So they had to enforce a rule in most local government areas that most people should not tap palm fruits except it is announced that they should go and tap it. So every local government area in Akwa Ibom State now have that time of the month where they announce and everyone can then go into the bush and harvest their palm fruits, and from there the process into palm oil. So you'll notice most times of the month, you'll see that palm oil is scanty in the market. You don't have a lot of oil flowing into the market because of the new law. Okay, before now, at any time in the month, you could go in, tap your palm fruits, come and sell. Nobody will disturb you. Nobody will tell you, hey, what's that? Don't do it. Okay, but lately, because of thefts and all that, there's been a law. So only during particular times of the month can people go in and harvest their palm fruits and from there process it into palm oil. So that's the reason you'll notice that palm oil is not like flowing like it used to, okay, because of that new law. So don't worry, my superstars. I promised I'll be your eyes out here. Okay, I'll be telling you the price from time to time. Okay, so it can enable you take informed decisions. So don't rush, don't panic. All right, hold on. As the price keeps dropping, I'll notify you here on this channel. All right, so lots of people have been worried lately. They've been like, ID, will the price of palm oil drop? Will it drop? Yes, it will drop. So be patient, my superstars. Please, don't rush and go and buy what you don't know. Okay, don't go and buy palm oil that is mixed. I've said it that because of the price of palm oil, lots of people will want to adulterate palm oil. Lots of people want to mix it with water, with additives, with color to increase the quantity and then reduce the price. Okay, so be careful out there, my superstars. If you hear anything that is away from the ordinary, please run, oh, run, oh, okay? Be careful out there. there will be lots of adulterated palm oil, so they can reduce the price and then you can buy happily. Hey, I'm smart, I am lucky, I'm favored, I have seen cheap palm oil, I have seen cheap palm oil. Okay, and few months after, you will notice that your palm oil will start looking very beautiful, like it has done makeup. The the additives that was added will go to one side. Okay, you notice the additives that was added will go to one side, while the palm oil that was in it will go to one side, and your palm oil will start looking very, very wonderful. Okay, and for some people that their palm oil was mixed with water, you'll notice that the palm oil will start smelling. And superstars, it will smell, and some the jerrycan will start blowing up. It will start bloating, start becoming very fat as a result of the mixture that was mixed in that palm oil. It will start reacting. There will be a chemical reaction that will result in that jerrycan looking very, very fat and bloated. And if care is not taken, if you do not take swift action to open it, it will burst. Okay, my superstars, so be very, very careful when you're buying palm oil this year. Okay, carry out the test I had told you on how to know a good palm oil and adulterated palm oil. Okay, carry out the test I had told you on how to know a good palm oil and an adulterated palm oil. If you do not know how to carry out the test, please reach out to someone who knows good palm oil and buy it to save yourself the stress of buying bad palm oil. Reach out to your vendor, or you can reach out to me and I'll help you buy it and send it to your location. Don't be a victim of bad palm oil. Okay, my superstars, any palm oil that is too cheap is a red alert. Okay, my superstars, be careful out there. So the price of freshly milled palm oil as at today is 40,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, while the Jerrycan is 5,200 naira. Okay, so if you're interested in getting palm oil from Akwa Ibom State to you, let me know in the comment section. But it's only perfect for those who are reselling. If you want to do storage, please be patient. Okay, I'll keep giving you updates so you can know when to swing into action. Okay, my superstars, don't be a victim of bad palm oil. Okay, my superstars, any palm oil that is too cheap is a red alert. Okay, my superstars, be careful out there. All right, so in the meantime, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Okay, my superstars, and have you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. That's all I ask of you. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. If you don't want to miss any updates, then turn on that bell. All right, my superstars, thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.